Hi. Wave to the camera.
Hi.
What's your name?
Cole.
What's my name?
Micah.
We're Cole and Micah. So today I got my first paycheck. Ooh, buddy. We went to the mall after we got this. What did you get?
Papa.
No, you didn't get Pawpaw. I got Cole's birthday present today, and it's Yo Gabba Gabba Vans. They're awesome. But he doesn't get them till his birthday.
James.
Right. You don't get them till your birthday?
James.
Can you say happy birthday?
Papa.
Can you say happy birthday?
James.
James and Pawpaw. Hey, James. Say hi, Pawpaw.
Hi, Papa.
Okay. And he's about to get next week he's getting his other birthday present, which is awesome. So he's getting 2 cool birthday presents, right, Cole?
Hi, Chi.
Yeah. And I got a new pair of shoes today, and they're awesome. Cole, what's in the oven right now? What are you about to eat?
No.
Are you going to eat pizza? You're going to eat, what are you going to eat?
Papa.
No, you're not going to eat Pawpaw. What are you going to eat? Oh, there's dog humping in the background. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. Can you say bye to the camera?
Grandma.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
Wave.
Bye.
Give Mike a kiss. No, give Mike a kiss. Can you give the camera kisses? Okay, say love you.
Love you.
Say love you, Micah.
Mama.
Can you say my Micah?
Mama.
Can you say hey Jake?
Hi, Jake.
Blow Jake a kiss. Okay, bye.